Signals. They're all around us. They convey information, communicate needs, and even keep us safe. Signaling is an essential part of life, including the life within us. Did you know your body has 30 trillion cells constantly communicating? That's trillions of signals happening every single minute. Imagine if these signals failed. Communication would break down, not just around you, but inside you. But when human cells signal at their highest potential, eyes blink with clarity, muscles restore with strength, lungs breathe with ease, hearts beat with vigor. Every cell in your body synergizes to create the best you on the inside and out. Stress, environmental toxins, physical challenges, and aging can weaken your natural signaling pathways. Don't let time diminish your body's resilience. At ASEA, we've cracked the code on how to revitalize these life-giving signals. With over 15 years at the forefront of cellular health, multiple patents, and numerous trade secrets, our proprietary technology unlocks your body's own cellular communication. Renowned health and medical professionals consider our cell signaling technology to be one of the most significant scientific breakthroughs of our time. Independent research confirms our products dramatically boost antioxidant signals by up to 60% and enhance cellular health and protection. Our flagship products are made with ingredients that are native to the body, and they're precision engineered to be unmatched in bioavailability, so they deliver exactly what your body needs, exactly where it's needed most. We invite you to join the growing number of people around the world who have discovered a way to lead a more vibrant, energetic life. With millions of bottles of cell signaling supplement and Renew 28 gel sold worldwide, the results are clear.
I feel better than ever.
Végre javul a bérrendszerem egészsége.
Hoy duermo mejor que nunca.
我的皮肤看起来棒极了。
Mon cœur ne s'est jamais porté aussi bien.
Revitalize your health by energizing and signaling your cells. This is your one and only life. Transform it with extraordinary health.